Hi family, you're welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, you're welcome. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you all how you can make this powerful, amazing flaxseed gel recipe that will help leave your hair moisturized for days and help you retain moisture. Not only that, also help you retain length. Please, if you like this video, please help me to give this video a thumbs up and do well to press the red subscription button and also press the bell button so you get notified whenever I post a new video. So let's get started. So today I'm going to be using some herbs, and the first on the list are Calendula. Calendula possesses healing properties used as a hair rinse and prevents hair loss. Also going to be using lavender, which promotes hair growth. It also prevents and kills head lice. Lavender also prevents hair shedding and also improves blood circulation to the scalp. What about rose petals? Rose petals have antimicrobial properties, and they also help reduce frizz and shine. And then chamomile. Chamomile possesses healing properties that also helps alleviate dandruff. And then the star of the show is our flaxseed, which we'll be using. So as we go further, I will also give you people more explanation and more talk about more benefits of this flaxseed. You all need to try this recipe. I bet you it has been helping me a whole lot in retaining moisture. So here I've putting everything now in my pot. Now I'm gonna be putting all the herbs in the pot, and then I'm adding water now into the pot like so. Please do well to watch to the end of the video because I'm gonna be showing you how you can be able to use this gel effectively. So I'll put everything now in my bowl like so. So what I did was I allowed the herbs to infuse for some time before I placed it on the burner to start boiling it. So I allowed it to infuse for about 30-45 minutes. Then I placed it on the burner and then I started boiling it like you can see. So after boiling the herbs, the lavender, calendula, rose and chamomile, I had to put it down. Then I allowed it to cool down. Then I got my sieve. You can see that color change. You can see how golden brown is looking. So you can as well drink it as well. It will also help when it comes to people having insomnia. If you can't sleep, you're having insomnia, this recipe would also help you. I actually divided it into two parts. So I drank some parts of it, then I used the rest for this flaxseed gel recipe. So after sieving my herbal tea from the herbs, then I went ahead now to add my flaxseed now into the herbal tea. So add your flaxseed and then you stir thoroughly like so. Stir thoroughly like so. This recipe would definitely help your hair reduce breakage and also strengthen your strands. Calendula also, there's something about calendula that is very good. Calendula stops and reverse hair loss because it increases collagen production, which helps keep our hair follicles healthy and each strand of our hair thick. And not only that, it also keeps them pliant so that it does not do what, break. So I've sieved up my flaxseed gel now. I've sieved it like so. You see how it's looking. It's still quite hot. I'm not going to use it at this moment. I'll allow it to cool down a little bit. Then the remnants of my flaxseed, I put it in another bowl. I'm going to be keeping this one. I will also make use of it for another flaxseed gel recipe. I also can make use of it too to make my flaxseed gel mask, which I'll be showing you all in subsequent videos. And also I can also sometimes I use it to also make my flaxseed gel shampoo, which I'll also show you all in subsequent video. So that is the flaxseed. Now I stored it in that container, then I'm going to put it in the refrigerator. Now let's talk a little bit about flaxseed and its benefits. Flaxseed benefits, it has a lot of benefits. One of the benefits is that flaxseed, they are rich in vitamin E, and we know vitamin E, they are great for both our skin and also our hair health. And vitamin E helps to improve circulation to the scalp, thus promoting hair growth, and it slows down hair breakage. Flaxseed gel is also rich in omega-3 fatty acids, which are known to be great for the hair and skin because they nourish and prevent the hair from drying, and also helps to do what? It may also help prevent hair loss and thinning of what? Of our hair. Not only that too, flaxseed gel reduces brittleness. The nutrients in flaxseed gel may help prevent hair breakage by improving elasticity of the hair strands, and that's very important. Flaxseed gel improves elasticity of your hair strands. If you're looking at regaining your hair elasticity, add flaxseed gel. I also want you all to know that flaxseed gel is also a humectant, but a plant-based what? Humectant that does what? That helps attract moisture to our hair. And also, it also nourishes our hair and also the scalp. So right here I sprayed my hair growth spray, which I'll be leaving the video in the next video. I'll be dropping that video after this one, so please do well to subscribe if you're not yet subscribed so you don't miss that video. So I'm still spraying my hair growth spray. This hair growth spray is loaded with a lot of I'm going to show you all the video next after this one. So flaxseed gel acts on our hair and scalp. It benefits our hair and scalp as well. And flaxseed also contains protein too. It strengthens our hair strands. And do you know you can eat your flaxseed gel? Aside using it for your hair strands, you can also eat your flaxseed. You can add it to your smoothies. You can add it to your pap, your oatmeal, whatever, you can add it. So now I'm going in with my flaxseed after applying my hairspray, and I went ahead to apply my leave-in conditioner. Then the next step now is to apply this DIY flaxseed gel. This is the best DIY flaxseed gel recipe you can see ever, because I did not just use water, but I went ahead to use all other herbs which are beneficial for our for our hair. So if you want to run away from lice, you don't want anything like lice, especially most of us who visit public salons, please do well to try this flaxseed gel recipe and make sure you add your lavender to it. So I've applied it now. It also helps to and aids in what? Easy detangling of our hair as well. Flaxseed is a very good detangler. So after applying the flaxseed, I went ahead now to seal it up now with my butter. So I went ahead to seal it up with my butter like so. So pay attention to your ends and also every other part of the hair. So do some finger detangling. After that, then I went ahead to do chunky twists. So I did chunky twists, as you can see. So guys, please let me know in the comment section if you ever tried flaxseed gel. How have you prepared it? Have you ever prepared it with other infused herbs, or you just use water? What benefits have you gotten while using flaxseed gel? Please let me know in the comment section below. And if you're not a fan of normal gel, flaxseed gel can also help you in defining your curls and giving you that bump twist out as well. So you can see how my hair is looking yummy. So thank you guys. Please do well to give this video a thumbs up. Please share this video with your friends and family. Like this video, please, 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 to help me a great deal with the YouTube algorithm. Thank you all so much. So I'm going to start the rest. If you like this video, please let me know in the comment section if you have ever tried using flaxseed. Please do well to give this video a thumbs up and let me know your thoughts about this video, and please do not forget to share this video with your friends and family. Thank you all so much. I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.